Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblock 0 to 100 part 14. Well, let's move on to the Numberblock 81. Numberblock 81 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 1 red block, which means he's a square. Because Numberblock 81 is made of 9 lots of 9 nines. Well, 81 is a super sneezer because he can split into 9 nines, and then the nines sneezes, right? Also, he's the super sneezer like Numberblock 72. I built Numberblock 81 by using 9 by 9 rectangle formation, like this. The box is almost finished. Here it is, Numberblock 81, but let's attach the sticker. Do a magic trick again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here is the Numberblock 81, which is the 9th member of the square. So let's go on to the Numberblock 82. For the next up is Numberblock 82. Numberblock 82 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 2 orange blocks. Well, Numberblock 82 is also made of 2 41s. There. I built 80 blocks by using 8 by 10 rectangle formation and put the 2 blocks on top, like this. And then we need 2 more blocks to make 82, like this. And then we do a magic trick again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Numberblock 82 is finished by recognize the rectangle eyes with orange features. This is the Numberblock 82, which is made of 2 41s. Let's move on to the Numberblock 83. Alright, let's move on to the Numberblock 83. Numberblock 83 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Oof. Well, 83 is the 23rd prime number, which means he cannot make any rectangles, but he never mind at all. Well, 83 is the unlucky number. Well, just according to the Numberblocks span quarters, well, you see the left eye is unlucky and the right eye is the normal. Well, just according to the Numberblock band quarters. Well, anyways, like this. Oops. Put it like this. Well, I made 83 by using 7 by 12 rectangle formation, but with no 1 blocks there's no 1 block in the hole, because 12 by 7 is 84, but 1 block is missing, so which means 84 minus 1 is 83. That's why I made him like that. Put like this and this. And then put like this. Almost done. Only 7 blocks more left. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. There. Like this block. With no 1 block. Well, anyways, let's attach the stickers of the Numberblock 83. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Ta-da! Number block 83 is finished. You see, one at the left is unlucky I, and the one at the right is normal, which means he's an unlucky number. Well, just according to the number block by quarters, but anyways, here's the number block 83, which is the 23rd prime number. Let's move on to the number block 84. Right, let's move on to the number block 84. Well, number block 84 is made of 80 like pink blocks and 4 green blocks. Because 84 is made of 80 plus 4, and also he's made of 12 sevens or 7 12s. And can be also 6 14s or 14 6s. Well, also he's the 4th member of the Explorer, and because he's made of 21 times 4, or 21 lots of 4s, or 4 lots of 21s. Well, number block 84 is the 12th member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club. And we need only 28 more to make 84. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, and 84 skipping counting by sevens. Skip count by sevens. I put this, but the space is too small. But anyways, I should put like this because actually the rectangle is like this, not this, like this. But there's no space to put it. Oh. Anyways, let's do a magic trick again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 84 is finished. Well, there's one thing that we shouldn't forget is an Explorer hat, like number block 21 Explorer hat, because he can divide it by 21. Well, I have a note. If the number can divide it by 21, should wear an Explorer hat, except from 42 and 63. Oopsie. Oh, the mouth. Well, you see that. Also, he's an explorer, but he also a skater in the Numberland. Well, let's put on the Explorer hat. I should put like this. Oh, attach. It fits like this. Right, number block 21. Oh, I hate. Well, anyways, number block 84 is finished, which is made of 7 12s. Well, let's move on to the number block 85, which is the last character. Right, let's move on to the last character is 85. Right, 85 is made of 80 like blue blocks, 80 like pink blocks, and 5 blue blocks. Well, 85, because 85 is made of 80 plus 5, so that's why. Oh no, I don't want to explain you about that. Anyways, 85 is also made of 5 17s or 17 5s. Well, you can make 85 by using 5 by 17 rectangle formation, or also you can make a rhombus, which is the longest, and at the center is 13. Well, 85 loves to painting like number blocks 17, 34, 51, 68, and also 59, which is the 17th prime number. She can make we can recognize her by star-shaped eye at the left, like number block 50, but not like 79. Anyways, put like this, then like that. Well, she's the 5th member of the painter, or team of 17s. because she can divide it by 17 by using 85 divided by 17, you see 5, right? Yeah. Well, I made a rhombus shape. I don't want to make a rectangle shape. Too tall. I don't like too tall sometimes, but some talls are my favorite. But some talls is not my favorite. Well, I like the bigger wide and bigger tall. Like 84. I like the wide is little big and the tall is bigger than the wide. But the wide is also, if the wide is also big. Well, anyways, if the wide is longer, the tall is shorter. Well, I like the medium. Well, in easy ways to listen. If I talk in the easy way, which means, I like the medium wide and medium tall, not too tall or not big, not too big of the wide and not too tall of the height. Well, anyways, don't think about it. 85 is finished. I like the rhombus shape. Oh, there's no space to put. Well, anyways, do a magic trick again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 85 is finished, like this. Well, which character do you like the most? 81, 82, 83, 84, or 85? Leave the comments. Well, this is the end of this video, how to rebuild the number blocks from 81 to 85 without old faceplates. I used the new stickers to make it more beautiful than that one. Well, anyways, if you like or enjoy this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Well, anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.